Welcome back again in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. Student, you all have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. So student, let's start today's video. Student, in the last tutorial, we have done recap of chapter number 5, Introduction to Microsoft Excel. And today we are going to discuss the book exercise of chapter number 5. So let's start. First of all, we are going to do tick the correct option. It means MCQ. The first one, in order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, you need to add a dash. The options are table, formula, field. The answer should be formula because formula is the equation through which we can solve a problem. So the answer will be formula. Now the second one, if you accidentally delete some data in the sheet, dash command can be used to restore it immediately. The options are insert, copy and undo. Student, the answer will be undo because with the help of undo command only you can restore the deleted data immediately. The intersection of row and column form a dash. The options are cell, block and box. The answer should be cell because you all know that the rows are the horizontal lines and column means vertical line. So the combination of vertical and horizontal line form cell. Okay. The name of the active cell is displayed in the dash. The options are formula bar, name box, status bar. Student, always remember the name of the active cell or the highlighted cell will always appear in the name box. The address of the cell always appear in the name box, which is active. Fifth one, the extension of Excel file is dash. Three options are there, .xlx, .xlsx and .xls. Student, be careful. The answer is .xlsx. Okay, this is the extension of a Excel file. Like the extension of Microsoft Word file is .doc and MS PowerPoint is .ppt. In the same way, Excel file is .xlsx. Sixth one, dash is a small green square on the lower right corner of the cell pointer. Three options are there, cell boundary, fill handle, cell space. What will be the answer? Fill handle. Okay. So student, now we will do true or false. Okay. So the first one is the shape of the mouse pointer on a worksheet is a triangle. Beta, this statement is false. Okay. Because at the right end of the corner only one plus sign. Okay. Fill handle sign is there. So this statement is false. The fill handle can be used to copy cell content. This statement is also false because you know that fill handle is used to fill automatic series or fill the cells with automatic series. Okay, or we can use in autofill option. The cell address of a cell in row 4 and column D is 4D. Student, this statement is also false because always the row number is followed by column name, but here it is opposite. It is 4D but it should be D4. Name and address are example of text data in Excel. Yes, because name also contains alphabets, address also contain alphabets as well as number, but we never use it for the calculation. That's why it can be considered as text data only. So this statement is true. Number 5. MS Excel is an example of an electronic spreadsheet. Very true, beta, because you all know that Microsoft Excel is a electronic spreadsheet. Okay. Sixth one, the name box is at the right end of the formula bar. This statement is false because name box always appear below the ribbon and at the left side. Okay, not right. So it is also false. So student, please complete the book exercise in your computer book. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.